Hi guys, welcome to Elevate Your Career with Coco. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, let us quickly go do application. I'm going to show you how you can apply for second trimester. I am going to take you through the steps on how you can apply. So stay tuned if you're interested so that I take you through the steps on how you can quickly apply. So firstly, you have to go on your Google and you're going to type Sedibeng TVET College. Yeah, you go there and type that and it's going to take you to this page and you say new application, and this is the page. You must read each and every detail. If you're not sure, even watch that video. And yeah, you scroll down and they tell you all the process that you need to do before you start applying. After reading, you say start your application, and this is the page that is going to take you to, and you have option of returning student and new student, and you're going to choose new student if you are new. And this is the questions that they're going to ask you. Which campus do you want to go to? I just pressed any campus because for the sake of this video, you choose whatever campus you want to go to. After choosing, they're going to ask you what group are you doing. NCV, it's when you're doing L4, L what nature is when you're doing N4, N5, N6 and all that. So for the sake of this video, just I think I did business management. Yeah, and your personal details. Firstly, your email, and you re-enter your email, your ID number or your passport number, if your name, full name, just per ID, surname and your gender and your date of birth, contact details and the last school that you attended. If you are in grade 11, you attend the school, and if you are in grade 12, you put that password as per instruction. Redo the password, and for security purposes, they're going to ask you to choose one, and you write the answer, and you scroll down, and you're going to accept the terms and condition. After that, you will be done registering yourself, and you would have to go back and go to returning student because you are now done. And you're going to put your email, also the password that you created that side. That's what you will be putting. Yes, you type in your email and the password that you would have created, and make sure that you will never forget the password, or just write it in your notes or something. Yeah, always make sure of that. And yeah, after typing in your email and your password, and you can also say remember my login details, and you log in. This is the page. Welcome to the learner profile. Please read before anything. Make sure that you read, but this is a compulsory, something that is compulsory. But press pre-entry course placement. That's where you should press, and then you're going to go through. These are the things that you should have, or you must do, but I have already completed them myself. But if you want a video on this, let me know. But you have to press to application. It's going to show you this. You press next, and this is the next page that is going to take you to. And make sure that you read each and everything thoroughly. They would want your email. They would want your ID number. Please put in your ID number so that they verify. They have to verify. Make sure that you type in your ID number, and when you're done typing in your ID number, verify it, and then this is the page that you're going to see next. Then guys, it's currently open for, I think, trimester and semester, but based on what you want to do, because trimester is 3 months, semester 6 months. Based on what you want to do, you're going to select the year that you want to study. And firstly, you must choose if you want to do semester or trimester, and then which grade you have, what is the last grade that you have, and the year that you got that grade. If it's metric, obviously going to say that when you finished your metric. And after that, you're going to put in your results as per your report. If your grade 11 report goes English, maths, accounting, Do it like that, as per your report, as per your marks. You have to do that. Please enter. I'm going to show you an example. Just type in English, Afrikaans, whatever. When you are done, also make sure that you do put in the mark that you got on your report. The mark that you got on your report, make sure according to your report, because they're going to need your documents, so you can't even lie. You cannot lie. Make sure that you put those marks according to your marks that you got from school. Anyway, when you're done putting that, you have an option to say calculate APS score, and it's going to show you your APS score. And after that, it's going to show you like this option. Select the study direction you wish to enroll for, and you have to press, you see, trimester or semester. In trimester, mostly it's engineering, and then semesters mostly business studies, HR, marketing, management, anything to do with management practically. But anyway, yeah. And then course level, obviously you always start with N4. You can't start with N6. Besides, if you already have a qualification, and they're going to ask you to choose the course description and the location where you're willing to study, like based on, you know, when you first applied, they asked you which campus do you prefer. So also they're going to choose for you sometimes based on where the course is available. If the course is available at Witbank, then that's where you're gonna go based on their availability. And after you have selected the course, automatically the subjects or the modules are placed underneath the module that you have chosen. Are you a South African citizen? You must say yes. If no, you must say no. And it's going to ask you, are your copies certified? And you must say yes or no. Please be honest. And then after that, upload it. Upload all your documents according to the instructions. And they don't allow PDF. They don't allow Word documents. They only want it in a picture format. Make sure that you do read the instructions. After you're done uploading, actually they're going to also need a copy of your parent or someone you are related to. When you are done reading all those things and uploading, this is what you're going to get. You're going to put in your cell phone number, your email, and all that, and they're going to send you a verification code. After verifying, you press validate email code and process to the SMS, and you're going to get the SMS, and then you say save registration, and you will be done. Make sure you put in your address based on how everything looks. Make sure you read and you fill in all the details. Make sure, and you will be done with your application. It is as easy as that, and you are done, and your application will be submitted. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all that information was very relevant to you, and I hope that you will quickly go apply. If only you are not at school and you're doing nothing and you're interested in studying, then you can go study. And one might ask, what's the difference between a trimester and a semester? Trimester is 3 months, semester is 6 months, if I'm not mistaken, but you can correct me on the comment section down there. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on another one. Bye.